Guys, today I'm gonna show you how my cat plays with a necklace. Come on, Raven. Come on. See, she's trying to get it. Oh, Raven. Hey, Raven. Okay, here's Nifa trying to be in the video. Come on. She's gonna play with it in a minute. You just have to give her a little time. Hey, Raven. She's just trying to get it.
About saving her a fucking plate and bringing it to her. Something that's not gonna fucking happen.
Get it. Okay, I'm about to end this video in a minute. Okay, I'm making a video. Raven, you want to get it? Maybe you want it? If you want, you have to get it. Well, if you want to play with it. Okay. Come on, Raven.
Really, I mean, it could get cleaned out, all the food and stuff. Huh? And then I'll wash the dishes.
Okay, guys, so I'm about to end this video right now, but
Remember where I
let's go
stopped.
see her. Hey, Nifa. Alright, Shadow. I was just showing you them. See how they're doing. Shadow, look at the camera. Oh, Shadow, look at the camera. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Tomorrow, I probably will make a video of showing you what kind of food we got. Okay, so bye.